Data mining and data analytics. People use these terms interchangeably, but they aren't the same. Today, I'll break down the clear and powerful difference between the two using simple examples you can remember instantly. Let's start with data mining. Think of data mining as digging deeper into a massive data mountain to discover hidden patterns, relationships, and anomalies. It focuses on what exists inside the data that we don't already know, the things that are buried and not visible on the surface. Data mining uses techniques like classification, where data is sorted into predefined groups, clustering, which groups similar items even when no labels exist, association rule mining, which finds connections such as people who buy A often buy B, and anomaly detection, which identifies unusual behavior in data. The main purpose of data mining is simple: to uncover new insights that weren't obvious before, helping businesses discover trends they didn't even know they should look for. For example, e commerce companies use data mining to find that customers who buy laptops also tend to buy laptop bags or a wireless mouse. Businesses didn't know this pattern beforehand, data mining revealed it. Now, let's talk about data analytics. Data analytics is all about using data to make smarter decisions. Instead of digging for hidden patterns, analytics tries to explain the data we already have. It answers practical business questions like what happened, why did it happen, and what should we do next. Data analytics typically involves data cleaning to remove errors or duplicates, data visualization with dashboards and charts that make trends easy to see, statistical analysis to understand relationships and causes, predictive modeling, which forecasts future outcomes based on historical data. The purpose of data analytics is to support business decisions with meaningful, actionable insights, helping teams plan strategies, optimize performance, and solve real world problems. So the difference is clear. Data mining is about discovering what you didn't know, hidden patterns inside the data. Data analytics is about understanding what those discoveries mean and deciding how to use them. Together, these two fields work hand in hand to help businesses grow, innovate, and stay ahead. Now you know the key difference between data mining and data analytics. If you want more quick and easy tech explainers like this, hit like, subscribe, follow, and drop your topic suggestions.